Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about how to eat salad and sprouts if my digestive fire is low. Will I be able to digest them? Because whenever I eat sprouts or I eat raw food as you recommended, I feel like there is a lot of gas in the system and I'm not able to digest it. But I love raw food, I know it is very healthy, I want to eat it, but just I couldn't find like what is the way and method with which if I will eat this raw food, I will be able to digest it properly. So let's see how Ayurveda can solve your problem. Regarding Ayurveda principles, one thing that you need to keep in your mind very strongly, that you will be able to get nourishment only from that food which is well digested. If the food quality is very good, but if your stomach is not able to digest it properly, that is, if your digestive fire is not so good enough to digest all the raw food, then you will not get any nourishment from that kind of food, no matter how much good quality and organic food you are using. As you know, in Ayurveda there is huge recommendation for having cooked food, properly boiled food, so that your body will get nourishment, because in those era Ayurveda was designed by keeping these things in mind. Like most of the people, they don't have good digestive fire, they don't have good genes, they don't have so strong bodies, because we don't know with what karma, what kind of texture, what kind of memories, what kind of compulsion, what kind of things we are born with. And as you know, there is a genetic memory that travels from generation to generation. So Ayurveda was designed in a way that it will be useful for everyone. That's why the principles of Ayurveda are written in such a way that the food should suit everybody and each and every person should get well nourished. As you know, Ayurveda supports a lot of fruits, like fresh seasonal fruits. That is one thing that you need to have, you need to take for your better health, because fruits are real nectar for your health. So don't miss fruits in your diet. So this is the first thing that you need to do. And now the next problem is, like, if you want to eat sprouts, that is totally live food if you want to have, but what to do if our stomach is not able to digest it? So there is a solution in Ayurveda. You take a handful of sprouts, don't take over sprouts, don't do like this, like taking big bowl of sprouts and skipping meals and you are just eating sprouts, like big bowl of sprouts. In Ayurveda, there is also one recommendation that you need to take one handful of your grains, like you know how much grains you can take in your fist. So only this much sprouts you take. Depending on your fist, it is like sometimes 4 spoons, sometimes it's 5 spoons, depending on the length of fingers and length of the body. So don't take more than this amount of sprouts. This is first rule. Next thing is, whenever you are eating sprouts, make sure like you have washed them properly. Before putting any lentil into for sprouting, anything for sprouting, you must make sure like before putting them in water, you take a little bit of warm water, wash this lentil very properly into it, so that it will become free from all the chemicals or preservatives with which it has been preserved. Because if you put sprouts just like this, it will contain a lot of preservatives and that will cause excessive bloating in your stomach. It's very important. So you just make sure like before putting these sprouts for soaking, make sure take warm water, wash them properly, and after that take clean water, and in that clean water you put these sprouts. So this is first precaution that you need to do. Use these sprouts like for 2-3 days, especially in winter, and in summer though you need to soak daily sprouts, but because in summer growth of these sprouts is very quick, but in winters because they grow slowly, so you can use, and even weather is not so bad, so you can use for 2-3 days same sprouts, because their growth is very small and their endings don't become brown. So their endings should be white, you know, there is some small thing come out of the sprout. So end of that is small germination that happens, the tip of that should not be brown, because if it start becoming brown, then it will start causing gas in your stomach or sometimes stomach pain. So this is second precaution that you need to take. They should not be very old sprouts, and you need to regularly change its water, like regularly you need to wash them, so that it will not have any kind of bad smell. These are the three mistakes that people do very commonly, and this also is responsible for formation of gas and other things, and abdominal discomfort. So these are about precautions that you need to take before soaking any kind of sprouts. Next thing is, what is the Ayurveda part? How to enhance your digestive fire if your digestive fire is not good enough but you want to have sprouts. That is, you can add little bit of pepper into it. Pepper, pinch of pepper, little bit more than pinch if you want, depending on your body type. Like if you are Vata body type, definitely you use a pinch of pepper. Pitta body type, less pepper, and Kapha body type, you can use 1 spoon even of pepper if you need it. So this is first thing that you can do. Next thing is, if you do not like the taste of sprouts, how to enhance the taste of the sprouts, you can use little bit of Himalayan salt or rock salt, that is pink colored salt. I also have created video regarding that. You go through my channel and search the benefits of Himalayan salt. It is very beneficial for your bones. It gives a lot of nourishment for your health, for your general health, for your bones. So make use of it. You please use half a pinch of salt over these sprouts. This salt and pepper, these both are very beneficial for your digestion, especially those who have low digestive fire. They can use pepper, and for taste you can use salt. Both are Agni Pradhan, both things contains a lot of fire element in it. So if you add little bit of pepper, little bit of salt into it, it will enhance your fire element in your sprouts, and this will help you to digest your sprouts naturally and properly. And if you feel like you need more digestive fire, this combination is not so enough, then you can use little bit, 1/4 of lemon, like this small piece of lemon. You just squeeze it, 2-3 drops of lemon into it, and then mix it like sprouts, pepper, rock salt or Himalayan salt, and 1/4 of lemon, 2-3 drops of lemon. Mix it very well, and you will see it will give a very good taste to your tongue. And this way, if you will eat sprouts, you will be able to digest these sprouts naturally. And after that, you can have anything cooked, like in the first part, fruits, and after some time you can have sprouts, and then anything cooked. So this way, if you plan your meals, it will give you enormous health, and your energy levels will also remain to the optimum. Also, many people have written to me like what to do if they are not able to digest salads. They want to eat salads, but they are not able to digest them. So regarding salads also, same tip is applicable. Like cucumber, this is the most common salad that has been used in houses. So people just cut cucumber. Regarding cucumber also, make sure like you wash it very properly. This is the first thing. Remove the outside peel, is very important. Though peel is very beneficial, but for most of the people it becomes very difficult to digest these peels. So best is you remove the outside peel of the cucumber, because sometimes it also contains little bit of thorns, and these can stuck in your throat or something. So better you remove it, outside peel. And after that, cucumber always eat fresh, and in cucumber also you can add little bit of pepper, because cucumber is also very cooling in potency. So you add little bit of pepper over it, little bit of lemon, and little bit of Himalayan salt or rock salt. Just how we in Indian houses we serve salads, and if you go to some restaurants, they if like local restaurants where food is served without meat, and like traditional restaurants, they always serve you this cucumber as a salad before any grain. Then, and they also sprinkle little bit of pepper, little bit of salt, and little bit of lemon over it, assuming like it will enhance the taste of cucumber. But actually traditionally it was served like this because cucumber is very cooling in potency. So we will add little bit of pepper over it, we will add little bit of rock salt over it, and to enhance taste we will add little bit of lemon, because all these things enhance appetite, it enhances hunger, and it also enhances digestive fire. So before eating any kind of salad, you can sprinkle pepper, you can sprinkle rock salt or Himalayan salt, that is Sandav Lavan, and you can also add little bit of lemon. So this way if you are eating any kind of salad, you will be able to digest it very well. Also regarding cucumber, there is one more precaution: never ever take cucumber salad in the evening, because in the evening if you are eating cucumber salad, it is very cough enhancing, and if you are eating even with pepper and the Himalayan salt, it will cause a lot of gas and bloating. So try not to have cucumber in the evening. The recommendations for having cucumber according to Ayurveda is either in the morning or in the afternoons. So that's all for today's video. I hope this will help you and you will start using it from today, and you please tell me how were the results and how good you felt after doing it. But at the same time, don't overeat. That is also one of the big reasons for having gas. Take in like balanced quantities so that it will nourish your body and it will nourish your smile. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Also, those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.